Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm so happy you are here with us today. Are you ready to learn and practice English with us? Great. Today's topic is very important for everyone. Students, workers, parents, even children. We are going to talk about discipline. Discipline may sound like a big word, but it is simple. It means doing the right thing at the right time. It's about creating habits that help you grow, improve, and live better. With discipline, you can study every day, wake up on time, finish your homework, and keep your promises.
That's a good point, Anna. Hi, everyone. I'm Rio, and I agree with Anna. Discipline is the secret behind success. Many people think success is luck, but actually, it is about small habits we do every day. When you are disciplined, you don't only help yourself, you also make people trust you.
Exactly, Rio. And for our listeners at level A1 to B1, we will use simple English to talk about this important value. We will also practice some easy dialogues about discipline. You can try them with your friends or family after the podcast.
And remember, don't worry if you make mistakes. Discipline also means being patient with yourself and learning step by step. So let's start exploring this together.
Let's think about why discipline matters. If you want to learn English, you can not only study one day and then stop for a month. You need a routine, maybe 15 minutes every day, or writing 3 new words every night before sleeping.
Yes, just like exercise. If you go to the gym once in a year, it doesn't help. But if you walk every morning, even for 10 minutes, it makes a big difference. That is discipline. Small actions done regularly.
And in English, we can practice words like, I always wake up at 6 a.m., or I never forget to do my homework. These are examples of discipline in daily life.
Also, discipline teaches respect. For example, if you promise to meet your friend at 4 p.m. and you come on time, that is discipline. If you are late, your friend may feel sad or angry.
True. And being on time is one of the best examples of discipline. In English, you can say, I am always on time. That's a powerful sentence.
Good morning, Alex. Did you wake up on time today?
Yes, Mom. I woke up at 6 a.m. I want to be disciplined.
That's wonderful. What did you do after waking up?
First, I made my bed. Then I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Very good. Making your bed is a small habit, but it shows discipline.
Yes, Mom. I also want to study English for 15 minutes before school.
That's excellent. A little practice every day is better than many hours once a month.
I agree. I want to be consistent.
I'm proud of you. Keep going and you will see big results.
Thank you, Mom. I will try my best every day.
That dialogue is a perfect example, Anna. Waking up early, making the bed, and doing small habits, these show discipline.
Yes. And notice how the sentences are simple. You can practice them easily. Try saying, I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I make my bed. All of these are discipline in action.
Another important place where discipline matters is school or work. Many students forget homework. Many workers are late to meetings. But discipline makes you different. People respect someone who is always ready.
Right, Rio? Let's think about English phrases. If your teacher asks, "Did you finish your homework?" you can answer, "Yes, I finished on time." That is discipline.
And if your boss asks, "Did you come to the meeting?" you can say, "Yes, I came early." Very simple, but very powerful.
Hello, Sarah. Did you finish your homework?
Yes, teacher. I finished it last night before dinner.
Excellent. You were very disciplined. How did you manage your time?
I turned off the TV and put away my phone. Then I focused only on my homework.
That's smart. No distractions means you can finish faster.
Yes, I wanted to play games, but I told myself homework first.
Wonderful. That shows self-control. Do you feel happy now?
Yes, teacher, I feel proud because I did the right thing.
You should be proud. Discipline will help you in many areas of life.
Thank you, teacher. I will try to keep this habit every day.
That's a good one, Rio. Many learners struggle because they wait until the last minute. But Sarah showed us how to manage time with discipline.
Yes, and in English, you can practice sentences like, "I finished my homework before dinner." "I turned off the TV." "I focused on my task." These are good examples of present simple and past simple tense too.
Exactly. So discipline is not only about action, but also about language. You can tell your story in English.
And telling your story in English helps you build confidence. Let's move to another important area: discipline in health. Eating healthy food, drinking enough water, exercising. These are habits we need every day.
Yes, if you eat too much junk food, you feel weak. But if you eat vegetables and fruits, you feel strong. Discipline is choosing the right food. In English, you can say, "I always eat vegetables." "I drink water every morning." "I exercise every day." These are healthy discipline habits.
Great! Shall we show an example of discipline in health?
Yes, let's do it.
Hey, Maria, do you want some chips?
No, thank you, Dad. I want to eat an apple instead.
That's a good choice. Why did you choose fruit?
Because I want to be healthy and strong. Chips are tasty, but not good for my body.
Very smart. What else do you eat to stay healthy?
I eat vegetables with lunch and drink water all day.
Excellent discipline. Do you also exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk every evening after dinner.
I'm proud of you. Small habits every day make a big difference.
Thank you, Dad. I want to take care of myself with discipline.
That was a great conversation. It shows that discipline is not about saying no all the time. It's about choosing what is good for you.
Yes, and Maria's sentences are simple but very powerful. I want to be healthy. I eat vegetables. I drink water. These are easy phrases you can copy.
And discipline is also about relationships. being kind to others, helping your family, keeping promises.
Right. Sometimes discipline means controlling your feelings, like not shouting when you are angry.
Or saying please and thank you every day. These are habits of respect.
Hi, Jenny. Can you help me clean the kitchen?
Sure, I will help you after I finish my homework.
Thank you. You always keep your promises.
Yes, I try to be disciplined. If I say yes, I must do it.
That's why I like working with you. You never forget.
Thank you. Helping at home is also important discipline.
Right. When we share the work, everything is easier.
Exactly, and it makes our parents happy.
Yes, discipline is not only for school, it's for family too.
I agree. Let's finish quickly and then we can relax.
That's so nice, Rio. Helping at home is a beautiful way to practice discipline and also kindness.
Yes, and the good news is you can practice English while you help. Say, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I finish my homework.
Discipline is really everywhere, listeners. It's in waking up, studying, eating, helping, speaking kindly. And with English, you can describe all of these actions.
The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Remember, small steps every day make a big change.
Absolutely. And our 4 dialogues today gave you examples you can use right away. As we come to the end of today's episode of Simple English Space, let's take a moment to reflect on what we have learned together. We talked about discipline, what it means, why it is important, and how we can practice it in our daily lives. We also shared 4 example conversations to help you use English in real situations while still connecting the language practice with the theme of discipline.
That's right, Anna. Discipline is not only about rules. It is about building habits that help us become better, stronger, and more responsible people. Whether it is waking up on time, doing homework, completing tasks at work, or simply being kind and respectful, discipline is a skill that supports all areas of life. And the great thing is, you can practice it every day, step by step.
We also saw how discipline connects to learning English. When you practice a little every day, even for 10 minutes, you are building the habit that makes your skills grow. Consistency is the key. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, stay patient, and keep going.
And remember, discipline is not about being perfect. It's about trying, making mistakes, learning, and continuing with courage. Every small action matters.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning and practicing with us. If you found today's lesson helpful, share this podcast with your friends or classmates. Let's learn together and stay motivated.
We'll be back with another exciting topic in the next episode of Simple English Space. Until then, stay disciplined, stay curious, and keep practicing your English every day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos. See you next time.